Today, we will solve video playing error in WhatsApp. Before we start, if you subscribe to my channel, you will give me a huge help to support the channel. Thank you. Let's get started. If you are unable to view WhatsApp status sent by anyone on WhatsApp, and you are facing a video error like, there was an error playing the video, follow all the steps I show you. First of all, go to WhatsApp app, then tap on Settings. Then go to Chats, and click on Chat Backup. Mine is already backing up right now, so do what I say for the same process. Tap to the backup and start the backing up process. While the backing up process continues, go to Auto Backup and select Daily Backup. After these steps, let's go to the settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down to find the WhatsApp app and tap on it. And when you get to this section, make sure that camera and microphone are accessible. Also, make sure that you give full access to photos for the WhatsApp application. After finishing all these steps and after the WhatsApp backup is complete, restart your phone. All these steps will solve video playing error in your device. I hope this video was useful for you. See you in the next one.